boys and girls. Today we're going to focus on letter identification. So you're going to tell me what the letter is, and then we're going to go over what the sound is. We're going to do it just like we do it in class. So here we go. All right, ready? The letter is E and the sound is eh. Good. The letter is G and the sound is g. The letter is F and the sound is f. The letter is T and the sound is t. The letter is D and the sound is d. The letter is P and the sound is p. The letter is M and the sound is mm. The letter is B and the sound is b. The letter is K and the sound is k. The letter is U and the sound is ah. The letter is A and the sound is ah. The letter is H and the sound is The letter is I and the sound is eh. The letter is C and the sound is k. The letter is O and the sound is ah. The letter is S and the sound is s. The letter is Z and the sound is z. The letter is W and the sound is wah. The letter is Y and the sound is ya. The letter is R and the sound is The letter is J and the sound is ja. The letter is N and the sound is mm. The letter is X and the sound is x. The letter is V and the sound is v. The letter is L and the sound is ooh. The letter is Q and the sound is qua. All right, boys and girls, just keep practicing those letters. You'll get better at them. Focus on what each letter's sound is as well. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a good day, guys. Bye.